Hello everyone, welcome to Chopbusters. In today's video, we're diving into the world of tools, those essential gadgets that make every project easier and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, we'll explore some must-have tools that should be in every toolkit. Get ready to discover tips, tricks, and expert recommendations to help you tackle your next project with confidence. So, let's get started.
PneumoFix clamping device. The PneumoFix tensioning device with the left-right turning tensioning unit enables effective and first strapping with thread structure and composite tapes up to 32 millimeters wide. Its strengths, the 7500N clamping power, controllable by pre-selecting the operating pressure with an integrated cutting unit, makes strapping easier. Tensioning straps is often a challenge with large and/or high packing units. Likewise, wide belts for manual tensioning can be bulky. The PneumoFix tensioning device does this for you, so to speak, with the left hand. Without touching the knife unit, you pre-tension mechanically and loosen the belt a little in reverse gear. The PneumoFix tensioning device can then carry out the further packaging process, tensioning and separating the tape. Foam Cutter KD5. Whether you're fitting ceiling tiles or creating an artwork, being able to shape hard foam quickly and accurately can transform your day. The KD5 thermal cutter requires no special training or skills and allows you to create straight edges or complex shapes with no mess and no fuss. KD5 thermal cutter cuts cleanly and smoothly. As the heat reacts with the foam, it cuts without leaving the dust and debris common when using a conventional knife. With no dust or polystyrene fillings left behind, cleaning up is easy. Designed for commercial and industrial use, it's a popular choice for hard foam molding, DIY, and construction. Reaching cutting temperatures in as little as 10 seconds, the KD5 slides through hard foam with little resistance. It's easy to maneuver, making it possible to cut freehand shapes or to easily follow a guide. It's easy for construction work, and it's easy to cut pieces to fit, whether you're trimming a tile or shaping an outlet point. Safety helmets. Safety helmets deliver you better protection and more comfort. These safety helmets offer protection from top and side impacts. These construction safety helmets are bolt compatible with 4 bolt accessory slots and 2 universal accessory slots that easily integrate additional personal protection equipment and accessories so you can adapt it to your job site. The helmets include a Milwaukee Bolt headlamp mount that works with most headlamps for easy, secure attachment, and a Bolt marker clip allows for easy access to pens and markers. Pneumatic Cut Off Tool. Make sparks fly with Matco's reversing flex head pneumatic cut off tool. Easily cut through your workload with unmatched control and superior power. Reversing is made easy with quick-action rear reversing collar to direct sparks. Flex head design allows for neutral, 25-degree up and 25-degree down positions for better access. The flex head cutoff tool is useful in a wide array of applications and materials. The flex head cutoff tool has a half-horsepower motor to cut through muffler and radiator clamps, bolts, sheet metal, fiberglass, and even steel rods up to 3/4 of an inch. The 3-position flex head allows for the flex head cutoff tool to work in tight and cramped places. Bolt cutters from Klauke. The Klauke EBS6L GKS is a battery-powered cable cutting tool that has a maximizing diameter range for cable lugs and connectors of 6 millimeters, suitable for cutting copper and aluminum cables. The Klauke EBS6L GKS is fast and efficient as cutting takes less than 1 second and requires maintenance after 20,000 cuts. The Klauke EBS6L GKS cutting tool uses iPress app, which allows all tool data to be viewed at a glance. Have a multi-function LED for maintenance control and charging display for the battery. ASSG Safety Cutting System. ASSG Safety Cutting System is a battery-powered cable cutting tool that has a maximum diameter range for cable lugs and connectors of 8 millimeters, suitable for cutting cable channels, bolts, and medium hard steel wire. The Klauke ASSG Safety Cutting System has a slim cutting head ideal for work in confined spaces and uses powerful 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. DGUV-tested safety cutting device for cutting copper and aluminum cables without steel armoring, which are under voltage in the event of fault, with a normal voltage of up to 60 kilovolts. Single-core cables without steel armoring can be cut safely under voltage up to 110 kilovolts or 60 Hz. Safe and fast work by using the remote control and 10-meter-long safety hydraulic hose. HAUPA Cable Unwinder. HAUPA Cable Unwinder is the universal professional cable drum winder and unwinder for all types of cables and pipes. It enables trouble-free and rational working without tangled cables. The HAUPA Cable Unwinder can be loaded up to 800 kilograms and is suitable for almost any type of drum, especially suitable for damaged cable drums. The height adjustment cover is perfectly designed to secure loose cables, cable rings, or pipes in the HAUPA Cable Unwinder, thus preventing uncontrolled cable unwinding. 12 rubberized feet ensure a non-slip and stable base, optimal for protecting surfaces and already finished floor coverings. Hydraulic block cutter. The AL43S H21 has a cutting pressure of 21 tons and is equipped with fixed blades. This makes the block splitter ideally suited for cutting natural stone with an irregular surface varying by more than 4 millimeters, cobblestones, thick slabs, and clinkers, etc. The AL43S H21 is equipped with 5 hydraulic pistons that distribute the pressure evenly across the cutting width. A perfect cutting result is guaranteed with just one press of a button. ArmourSlice SWA Cable Stripper. Robust metal alloy body for strength and durability. Provides fast, clean, and safe stripping of steel wire armored SWA cables. Wide stripping capacity of 12 to 36 millimeter diameter. Cable clamp applies constant pressure throughout the cut with no retightening necessary. Wide cable clamp ensures perfect blade, the cable alignment for precise cuts. Features high-performance, hardened steel alloy cutting blade and integrated spare blade holder for quick blade changes. Supplied with 6 blades. Scores armor strands to a uniform depth for a clean break-off and trouble-free gland connection. Automatic cable clamp applies constant pressure throughout the cut with no retightening necessary. Wide cable clamp ensures perfect blade to cable alignment for precise cuts. Rugged all-metal construction with integrated spare blade holder. Perfect results of cables from 12 to 36 millimeters. Bead Bazooka Gen 2. Introducing the 2nd generation Bead Bazooka, the most advanced bead sitter ever made. It is capable of handling a gun range of tires, from motorcycles to light agricultural vehicles. The new Bead Bazooka utilizes an upgraded version of the trigger-operated rapid air release, or the RAR, valve technology found in the original Bead Bazooka models. The extra power it delivers allows it to be smaller and lighter while still allowing the user to seat even the most stubborn tire beads. The new valve is also easily serviced or replaced so that you can expand its service life and maximize uptime. SAFERGO. The Wintec SAFERGO truck tire dolly is the easiest way to mount and dismount tire trucks. This convenient dolly makes manually lifting wheel sets completely unnecessary. Simply slide the rollers underneath the tire and use the jack handle to raise it to its desired height. You can then use the included Keter O-liner to perfectly position the wheel for easy installation. The SAFERGO also comes equipped with a collapsible handle frame, making it easy to store and ideal for mobile situations. Cordless garden sprayer. The compact and lightweight cordless sprayer offers easily handling and high maneuverability. The hand valve lever has 2 selectable modes. Obviously, the running cost has come down as it runs on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Paddle switch under the grip of spray wand allows for easy on-off control of spraying and is equipped with lock-on buttons for continuous spraying. 1.7 meter hose allows for operation with the sprayer on the ground and does not rub the ground when the sprayer hangs from the shoulders. 5-liter large capacity tank, both sides are ergonomically curved to fit the user's body when the sprayer hangs from the shoulder, increasing user's productivity. Timberline Chainsaw Sharpener. The Timberline Chainsaw Sharpener makes sharpening your chainsaw much easier and more precise. The Timberline Chainsaw Sharpener lets you sharpen your chain on the job, allowing you to work faster and smarter. The tool comes with everything you need to sharpen your saw. Included is a durable carrying case with shoulder strap and belt loop. The carbide cutters used with the Timberline are interchangeable and purchased separately. The key to the tool is a solid platform that won't bend, flex, or otherwise move during sharpening. This acts as a fixed guide to sharpen each cutting tooth accurately on the chain with little or no deviation. Each tooth is sharpened individually with the carbide cutter fitted on the hand crank. An adjustable stopper pawl pushes the chain forward into the carbide cutter and thus sets the length of each cutting tooth. Bora Portamate Storage Rack. The Bora Portamate Storage Rack is the perfect solution for the storage of wood logs, lumbers, pipes, or any other long household items. The orange-gray rack has a well-mounted design that helps in the best utilization of vertical space in workshops, garages, or sheds. Each of the levels of the rack can hold up to 110 pounds of weight. Steel tube construction offers great strength and durability, and the powder-coated finish prevents corrosion. Use this rack to keep gutters, pipes, molding, or any sports equipment. Utility industrial storage equipment holds a significant amount of weight, which is why each shelf holds up to 110 pounds. That's a 600-pound weight capacity for all 6 shelves. Store all those heavy boards or logs with the assurance that your organizer can handle the weight. Keter Folding Work Table. The Keter Folding Work Table provides a sturdy portable workspace for a wide variety of projects. Count on this folding work table to provide dependable work support for everything from standing 2x4s to standing table legs. Durable steel legs provide the support you need to feel confident while performing any task, while a pair of one-handed clamps hold your project material securely in place. Try it for one project and the bench will become your go-to source for reliable work support. Made of heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs and a workspace capacity of 1,000 pounds, unique quick opening and folding system for easy storage and portability. Damaged bolt and stud extractor tool. This damaged bolt and stud extractor tool is 3/8 inch drive and can be used with hand ratchets, impact wrenches, and air ratchets. A hexagonal flat can be used with flat wrenches, adjustable wrenches, sockets, and locking pliers. Its compact design allows access into small areas where studs may be hard to reach. Manufactured with high-grade, heat-treated alloy steel for maximum durability, this tool also features chrome finish with additional rust protection and aesthetic appeal. This tool will save hours of frustration on broken exhaust manifolds, oil filter plugs, rounded starter bolts, low-grade bolts left in salt water, painted over bolts, rusted type bolts, and more. ROBOKATTA. Designed for precise cutting, ROBOKATTA Automatic Rail Disc Saw has the perfect perpendicular action essential for making the consistently accurate, right-angle cuts in both axes that are fundamental to the reliability of isolated joints and automatic signaling systems. ROBOKATTA presents a new concept in rail disc saws by combining a powerful and robust saw with the world's first automatic support arm, which during the cutting phase allows the operator to be in control. Speed control to optimize disc performance, minimizing consumption, and consequently delivering the greatest number of cuts. Metallic disc protection casing with angular regulation device is not affected by vibration, so assures operator security and optimum visibility. ROKAMAT PFM5. The plaster finishing machine Compact PFM5 is particularly popular due to its compact design. The motor is integrated in the handle, which ensures comfortable handling. This is especially appreciated when working in confined spaces or on scaffolding. The PFM5 is also equipped with a 20-meter cable, which means you can mostly dispense with the use of extension cables. This feature contributes to increased safety and more working comfort. Roamwild Multi-Digger Edger. Ideal for digging in tight spaces such as confined flower beds, trenches, and planting large shrubs or trees. Stores easily in a backpack, so is ideal for metal detectors too. Ultra lightweight, whilst at the same time being extremely robust, the Roamwild Multi-Digger Mini Spade is the next level in digging innovation. The unique design allows the user to translate digging power directly to the tip of the tool where it matters most. This significantly reduces digging effort. The innovative arrow-shaped head easily penetrates any soil or rocky ground. It makes light work of cutting through roots, turf, and digging into hard clay. Mills Polemate. The Mills Polemate is a time-saving mobile work support that provides a temporary workstation for remote mobile engineers working on telegraph poles and lampposts, etc. The S83-6958 is a specialist variant designed to allow engineers to easily install and maintain the BT or open-reach one-fiber overhead joints, or the CMJ and MMJ, by holding them securely at the correct working height during building and splicing activities. The Polemate is simple and quick to fit on all wooden telegraph poles and is supplied by 3x wedge-shaped rubber spacers, which can be used to prevent compression marks and avoid damage to vertically routed copper cables. Once the strap and backplate have been ratcheted into position, the tray can be easily slipped into place, which then provides a firm work support for both joint splicer, cleaver, and associated tools. Due to its unique design, the tray can easily be disengaged from the cabling to allow final positioning of the completed joint. Hub Genie. Hub Genie is a unique solution for removing hub end caps while servicing the hubs and converting them to different standards. Thanks to the expanding mechanism, which grabs the hubcap evenly from the inside, even the most stubborn hub end caps are easy to pull off. Compared with the traditional way of removing hub end caps, this tool won't damage cups or hub. Simply genius. The tool is available in two versions. A smaller one that covers hubs with 12mm and 15mm through axles, and a bigger version that works with 20mm through axle hubs. Both versions feature plastic dipped handle for better ergonomics and grip. Universal Individual Template. Bloom Universal Individual Template. This is the newest design by Bloom, replacing the one ending in .01, used to pre-bore for Ventos lift mechanism, locating pins and pre-boring the hinge mounting plates. Used for pre-boring holes for Legra box, tandem box, and tandem draw runners. Also used for marking and pre-boring cabinet profiles, and Blue Motion for doors and tip-on for doors adapter plates. Calibrated scale for accurate setting. Its improvements is an adjustable C profile has been added to the template to achieve better contact with the face of the cabinet. This will enhance the function of the pre-boring process by eliminating uneven positioning for tipping of the template. An anti-tip adhesive tape has been applied to the contact surface of the C profile to prevent slipping on the cabinet face. Cable Drum Unwinder. The Greenlee Cable Drum Roller is 710mm high, 605mm long, and 95mm wide with a diameter ranging between 200mm and 700mm. It is an ultra-light, robust, single-sleeve drum roller with the easy winding and unwinding of large cable drums. This roller is made of zinc-plated steel with a protective spray coating. Starrett A19 Hole Enlargement Arbor. For moments when you've made a mistake and used a hole saw in trunking that's too small or are replacing old downlighters and need to make the holes larger, Starrett's Oops Arbor can help save you time and money. Replacing the pilot drill, the A19 allows diameters to be enlarged by attaching a saw of the same size to that of the existing hole. This saw then acts as the pilot with a larger diameter saw that is attached to the arbor in the normal way. Plasterer's Bit Holder. Bits are manufactured with S2 premium steel for long life and are suitable for all heavy-duty screw driving applications. The addition of the torsion zone alleviates the stress and pressure put on the bit during drilling, increasing endurance, product life, and overall performance. KUKKO Thread Repair System. The Series K58 thread repair set is designed for restoring heavy-duty screw connections with stripped internal threads, as well as for repairing defective or over-tightened threads on all kinds of oil pans or drain plugs. With this new threaded insert, it takes just a few steps to restore worn-out or damaged threads to their original condition in a proper and affordable manner. The 60-piece set contains the following: 40 threaded inserts of various sizes, 4 drill bits, 4 countersink drill bits, 4 thread cutters, 4 insertion tools, and 2-part ratcheting tool holder, a bottle of organic multi-oil, and a KUKKO chip with a unique serial number for warranty extension. Berkling Tools 7102. 7102 is the most company-weight air saw in the market. Combine air saw and air file in one single versatile tool for various applications. Patent-pending low vibration, 3M S2, and noise reduction at 88 decibels mechanism. Safety trigger, it is multifunctional and versatile. It can saw, drill, deburr, and more. This video is demonstrating sawing a 1-inch steel pipe with a 1/8 inch wall thickness. Smith's 3-in-1 Sharpener. Smith's 3-in-1 Sharpener can handle all of your sharpening needs. It features pre-aligned carbide blades, which are reversible and replaceable for quick edge setting capabilities. The fine 750 grit interrupted surface diamond stone provides a quick razor-sharp edge on a knife or tool. A pair of specially shaped teardrop ceramic rods provide multi-use sharpening capabilities, everything from standard to serrated edges, along with hooks and tools. The protective storage lid also serves as a handguard, and the ceramic rods fit securely into a compartment at the bottom of the base for safe and easy storage. IMR Series Back-to-Back Distance Measuring Gauge. Electronic gauge is designed for measuring back-to-back distances of railway, metro, and tram wheels in the course of checkup, examination, repair, and formation of wheel sets. Measurements are made directly on rolling stock without wheel set rollout. The method of measurement is based on direct measurements the distance by contactless laser sensor. The LDE HS series electronic gauge contains ball support to place the gauge on the internal surface of the wheel. 2 side supports the base, the gauge to the wheel flange, 2 bottom supports to the rails, and contactless laser sensor. There is a digital numeric display and control buttons on the front panel of the gauge. A charge indicator or charging device connection is situated on the top panel of the gauge. The method of back-to-back distance measuring is based on the direct measurement, the distance by laser triangulation sensor, LDE series, inbuilt onto the gauge. Goldblatt's dust-free hand sander. Reduce 90% of dust and mess with our dust-free hand sander. This lightweight drywall sander has several great features, including a 360-degree pivoting elbow for ease of use on vertical surfaces and an adjustable vent for various vacuum force. The Goldblatt dust-free hand sander is designed to remove more than 90% of the mess while providing top-notch performance and reliability. Compatible with most shop vacuums, the hand sander is lightweight and includes a coupler, adapter, and 6-foot hose. The Goldblatt dust-free hand sander can be used with standard sanding screens, and in its adjustable vent allows the user to change the vacuum force. This hand sander is perfect for any drywall, wallboard, or woodworking project. Handheld inner diameter measuring gauge. Operation of the device is based on the scanning of the tube inner surface by rotating laser head. The gauge operates as follows. The operator inserts the laser head into the pipe and places the supports of the gauge at the pipe end. After pressing the measurement button, the laser head begins rotating. The laser sensor scans the inner surface of the pipe, and the built-in controller receives the polar coordinates of the surface. The controller calculates the required parameters, displays them, and shows the result OK or NO-K in accordance with the specified tolerances. Measurement data can be accumulated in the gauge memory and transferred to the database on the PC. Fiskars Watering Sprinkler. The sprinkler type you need depends on the shape and size of the area you want to water. Will you be watering grass or perhaps a vegetable garden? There are a variety of sprinklers for different lawn sizes. The 2019 sprinkler features an on-off valve, which is designed to mark sprinkler adjustment easy, as there is no need to walk to the tap and back to switch the water flow off. For environmentally conscious gardeners, Fiskars water-saving oscillator sprinkler models can save up to 20% water compared to traditional oscillating sprinklers.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video gave you some valuable insights into the tools you need for your projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and recommendations. Share your favorite tools in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.